For example, the people who came today, they are living with unreal things. They have to seek God. If they follow any religion, it is to seek God. If they are thinking they belong to any caste, community, anything which professes God, has to seek God. Even the people who are agnostic, those people who are atheist, have to seek the Creator. One must know that you are not the Creator. If once you know that you are not the Creator, and when you start seeking that, then you are a higher category of a personality, which I call as seeker, for which William Blake has said clearly, men of God will become prophets. And these prophets will have, prophets means again non-beings, have power to make others prophets. Is already predicted. Your potentiality has been predicted. But if you have no value for your being, you are wasting it for nonsensical things, then nobody can help you. Nobody can help a person who has no sense in his head, who is wasting his energy. So one thing is important, that Sahaja Yoga is only for the people who are seekers to begin with. Those who are not, we are not bothered. We are not going to fall at their feet. We are not an organization or anything. We do not want any money. We want to help people who are seeking to ascend, that's all. There is no need for them to come. Nobody has asked them to come. Like other cults are anxious to keep the people, we are not. The reason is there are two forces all the time acting in the nature, which you must be knowing as centrifugal and centripetal forces. By one force you are sucked in, but by another force you are thrown out. If you are no good, you are thrown out. That's how evolution has taken place. As you know that in evolutionary processes, many animals, many vegetables, many plants have been thrown out of evolutionary process. In the same way, all such people are thrown out. So, it makes no difference to the divine. If there are 5 people, well and good. If there are thousands, well and good. But only a mother's concern is such that after all, so many are created from amoeba to this level. And there are so many seekers on this earth. They may be doing wrong things. They might be doing something that is not proper. They might be misled, doesn't matter. Forgive them. But for them, it should be available that they get their ascent. They should get their ascent. It should be available. That's the only concern I have or any other Sahaja Yogi has. He doesn't care what money you have, he doesn't care what position you have, he doesn't care for anything whatsoever. Only concern is that you are a seeker and you have every right to ascend, and those who have ascended want to help you, just to help you to ascend so that you can help others to ascend.